Wow, Facebook, give me $10 credit on boosting my post. How about you? Did you used to receive like what I show in this video? If you never received the credit like this, so please watch this video. I will show how to get free credit and how to use this credit for Facebook Boost page. So everyone who have business page will always use the real money to promote your product to your customer by boosting post, right? But sometime you will miss this credit that give by Facebook to you. So to make you don't miss this credit, mostly you need to always check your email address and you use to log into your account. Always check on update and try to find the message from Boost with Facebook. So if you receive the credit, Facebook will send you an email with how much amount Facebook give you with button claim credit. You can click on this button or you can find this credit in your ads manager in your business page. In your business page, this credit is used for promote your business when you spend over $20. So it's mean before you can get this credit applied to your boost, first you need to spend on any boost with amount endless $20 or more. For me right now, I already spend $5 of $20 spend. So after I complete spend $20, I will get $10 move into my balance on another next bill. So the question is how to get this free credit from Facebook? The answer is very simple way. As my experience, I not just get this credit only this time. I received this credit more than 5 times already with different amount of credit. Sometime I get $20. Sometime I get $100. So this is depend on how your business page look like. So the sample way is just keep your page active. Keep posting your product. And also spend some money on boosting your product. So one day you will receive that credit like me. Also, you can read the ad credit coupon term and condition to understand about how to get this point. How to use this credit. Just go to Ads Manager. Click on Create New Campaign. You will see the star, get $10 after you spend $20. When you have been used this credit, you can check in the bill to make sure does this credit has been applied or not. Now in my bill, the credit has been applied. And you also can check how much more credit you still have in your balance. So thank you for watching my video. If you still don't understand or you need more assist about Facebook page, please comment below video. I will try my best to solve your problem. Thank you.